The NYPD is diving into a world of surveillance tech, raising concerns about your privacy. Today, I'm unveiling the shocking truth behind the NYPD's eye in the sky, tracking devices, and subway-savvy robots. This is a tech thriller you can't afford to miss. The NYPD's use of surveillance technologies has come under scrutiny, causing worries about invading people's privacy and the need for clear rules in policing. Research from NYPD shows that the NYPD uses various surveillance technologies, such as drones for watching from the sky, GPS locators to track vehicles, and robots for checking the subway system. People are concerned because the NYPD isn't being held responsible for how it uses these surveillance tools. This lack of responsibility could lead to misuse of power, which is a danger to both the justice system and individual rights. The Public Oversight of Surveillance Technology Act was created to deal with these worries. It asks for transparency, detailed information about technology use, and assessments to ensure fair surveillance. But even with the POST Act, there's proof that the NYPD hasn't followed the rules. They need to give more details about how they use technology, and they're finding ways to avoid being responsible. NYPD suggests that the City Council have the final say before the NYPD can use or get new surveillance technology. This shows that the current ways of keeping an eye on the NYPD need to be fixed. The NYPD's report about surveillance technology gave only some of the important details, like how the technology is used and who sells it to them. Mayor Eric Adams has introduced new tools like K5 autonomous security, Star Chase system, and DigiDog to make the city safer. But instead of creating new rules for using these tools, the NYPD just added small notes to the old rules. The potential misuse of power is a ticking time bomb, threatening justice and individual freedoms. The Public Oversight of Surveillance Technology Act was supposed to be the hero, but it seems our watchdogs are napping. It's time to demand real accountability, and NYPD has a compelling solution. As we unravel this digital mystery, remember, your rights matter. Stand up for transparency because knowledge truly is power in this tech-driven world. Did your mind just get blown like mine did? If you're passionate about uncovering the truth, hit that subscribe button and join our community. Together, we'll stay informed, empowered, and ready to challenge the status quo. Don't miss out on our next revelation. Until next time, stay curious and keep questioning.